This is my video presentation for Intermediate Milestone 2 for Educational Technology course. I'll be developing a course for Java developers on Docker and Apache Juno microservices. So in the Intermediate Milestone 1, I had presented my progress where I concentrated on developing Docker related training material. And between then and this intermediate milestone 2, I've developed content for Apache Juno microservices. And as you can see, I have developed content for the topics listed here. So the second part mainly focuses on Apache Juno microservices. And so start with what are microservices. This gives an in general introduction about what are microservices and what are they used for. The next slide gives an overview of microservice architecture, how it differs from the monolithic architecture, the traditional architecture. The third slide provides information about the advantages of microservices and why they are so popular today. The next slide indicates different microservice frameworks that are available in the market today. The most widely used is Java, Spring Boot. The next slide, from the next slide we dive into Apache Juno microservice details. It contains several parts, and we're going to focus on the Juno microservice jetty, and a sample application is going to be based on that. So for adding this jar into your Eclipse workspace, we need to add this Maven dependency over, and or if you're reporting it directly as a jar, you have to import the Juno microservice jetty 8.1.0.jar. The Apache Juno web page actually has a sample Eclipse project that you can download and directly import into your Eclipse workspace. So this is that project here, and during my voice recording I will also show a live demo of how this project can be imported onto Eclipse and how to run the project. And this is the actual Java code that can be used to actually create a jetty microservice and get it up and running. During my audio recording towards the end of the creation of the PowerPoint slides, I will also show a demo of how to create a Java program and how to start a jetty microservice from there. So I have created content up until here, and I will continue to follow the plan and create the final section which actually integrates Docker and the Juno microservice. How do we actually deploy the Juno microservice inside a Docker container, which is going to be the most important part and most interesting part. So I'll continue to work on this, and after this I will also work on adding my voice to the presentation, and also some live demos so that the user can take a live look at what is going on and how to get things done. Thank you.